2016 Lamborghini Huracan LP 582 the best or fastest? Add the Lamborghini Huracan LP 582 the new rear-wheel drive variant of the all-wheel drive Huracan LP 610-4 to the short list. The LP 582 is the prescription to cure both symptoms. As the name attests, output drops from 602 horsepower to 572 horsepower and torque is reduced from 413 pound-feet to 398 pounds-foot, all of it sent to the rear wheels. The time to run from 0-62 miles per hour is just 0.2 seconds slower than the 610-4. No mere devaluation of potency, engineers remapped the 5.2-liter V10's power and torque delivery so it's different from the AWD version.